Family, today I want to talk to you about 10xing your income by using the talents that you currently have. And what I mean by this is everyone has talents, and I've put out a few videos on this, but I have never talked about how do you make this happen. And so in this video, I want to review how to 10x your income by using the talents that you currently have. Again, thank you for visiting my channel. Please like and subscribe, and let's get right into the message. So, as I started off, everyone has God-given talents, things that they are very good at. And what I mean by this is that you're just naturally good at it. And so, first thing you have to do is identify what those talents are. So just take a piece of paper and just write down, hey, these are the things that I'm really good at and I enjoy doing day in and day out. And so once you have this long list of talents that you have, then you should ask others what they think. What do they see that you're good at? What makes you different than other folks? So then identify which one of those talents from that long list that you want to execute and monetize. Once you've done that, the next step is try to find out, is this talent something the market desires? And what I mean by something that the market desires, does the market need this talent that I have? Or does the market want this talent that I have? And again, that's just some quick Google searching. Spend a couple of hours just truly identifying, is what you're about to give to the market is something that they want. And so once you've identified that, then you're going to narrow the focus on what your niche is going to be. And what I mean by your niche is, okay, I'm a plumber. I enjoy working with my hands. I'm a plumber. But what type of plumber am I going to be? Am I going to be residential? Am I going to be commercial? And if I'm commercial, do I do restaurants only? Do I do large buildings? Narrow it down so you can focus in on your niche, which gives you a better possibility of being successful. So now, that's number 3. And then number 4 is that you should be able to market that niche. And what I mean by market is develop a website that people can find you. Use it on YouTube or on Facebook and Twitter. Get yourself out there so folks would know that this is what you do. And then lastly, once you've done those 4 steps, the 5th step is for you to develop that niche. And this is what I mean by develop. You may be good at it, but how do you become the best at it? It doesn't necessarily have to be the best in the world, but you could be the best in your city, your town, your state, or your region. But how do you become the best at it? And then work on the development of it over a period of time. And while you're working on the development, go ahead and start the project. Don't wait till you become the best. Start where you are. Thank you so much. Again, if you like my content, please like and subscribe.